Okay, today I'm going to do a quick and simple better than sex cake. Very, very simple. I mainly bought all the ingredients, so all I gotta do is just do step by step. Actually, this cake is for one of my, for my brother, the one that just had a birthday on the 13th. I'm a little late. I told him I was gonna make his cake, and this is the one he wanted. A lot of, I don't know, everyone wants this cake from me. So I'm using these simple ingredients: double spoon, Cool Whip, 3 eggs, condensed milk, my caramel, and my heat miniature bars. And so, preheat my oven to 350, and here we go. About to go in the oven for about 28 to 30 minutes. I lightly oil my foil pan, and let's see. Okay, just pull her out of the oven. Now I'm about to test it real quick. My toothpick. Clean, 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 clean. So I'm gonna let it cool, and on to the next step. So we poke throughout while it's cooling. Doesn't matter. Poke. Make little holes. See, it's coming together. The condensed sweet milk and the caramel. We're warming it on a drizzled, sprinkled the rest of the candy, drizzled the golden sweetness, and here you go. Better than sex cake. You guys want a slice?
Reminiscing about the argument.